HubSpot versus Mailchimp, must watch before choosing. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which marketing automation platform is better among HubSpot and Mailchimp. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with HubSpot. HubSpot known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. Provides detailed analytics and reporting features, helping businesses track and optimize their marketing and sales efforts. Supports a wide range of native integrations with other software, enhancing its functionality and flexibility. Offers a free CRM version with essential features, making it accessible to startups and small businesses. HubSpot Academy offers extensive training and certification courses, helping users make the most of the platform. Somehow, advanced features and tools can become costly, especially for larger teams or enterprises. While user friendly, HubSpot may offer less customization in certain areas. The free CRM has limits on email marketing features, which may require upgrading to a paid plan for more extensive use. Now let's come towards Mailchimp. Mailchimp provides a wide range of features, including advanced segmentation, app testing, and detailed analytics, and offers a vast selection of customizable email templates. Mailchimp integrates with numerous third-party applications, including e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and social media. Its reporting tools provide in-depth insights into campaign performance, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. The platform is scalable, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. Somehow, Mailchimp's pricing can be higher, especially for larger contact lists and access to advanced features. And that features can be overwhelming for beginners, requiring more time to learn. Mailchimp's customer support is tiered, with better support available only to higher tier subscribers. Choosing between HubSpot and Mailchimp depends on your specific business needs and goals. In 2024, Mailchimp is better suited for businesses that require advanced features, robust integrations, and detailed analytics. On the other hand, a versatile, well integrated solution for broader business needs HubSpot. That's all for this video.